Good morning, guys. Today we're working on a 5.9 common rail in a Dodge, and what we got going on is the boost sensor or map sensor. Basically the symptoms is this thing's got a uneven idle. It's kind of running rough sometimes, acting a little bit weird. Sometimes it runs okay. When I hooked up the scan tool, the only code it had was for the manifold pressure sensor, and one thing I noticed when I monitored the live data as it was sitting here idling, it showed that boost sensor at 12 psi of boost just sitting here, which is obviously not right. So it's pretty good info to me that we need a boost sensor. So we've got one ordered. We are going to run down to CarQuest here in Fillmore and pick it up. We ordered it yesterday. Then I'll show you how we swap it out. So let's go down to CarQuest. Alright, conveniently need to test drive this truck that we just did a CP3 conversion on. I guess it's technically DCR pump. So we'll take this down to CarQuest and pick up our sensor. Knock two birds with one stone. Alright, we made her to the CarQuest here in Fillmore. Let's go in and get our parts.
What's going on, Kyle?
Hey.
Here for some parts?
Got some parts for me. Let me brag up the CarQuest boys a little bit. You always hear the stories that when you go to like the auto parts and you're looking for a certain part or whatever, and they're asking you a bunch of questions that don't even pertain to what you're after. Well, that doesn't happen with these fellers here at CarQuest of Fillmore. These guys know their stuff, and it's way worth using them. So
We
thank you for that.
You're welcome, sir.
Got a boost sensor and some parts for another Ford. So, story of my life is Fords, right? Anything you want to say? To have a beautiful day.
Have a beautiful day. We appreciate your business.
All right. Thanks, fellers.
You're welcome.
All right. We made her back with our sensor. Now we're just in here on the intake manifold side. Halfway back on the intake, I just unplugged it, so it's this one that has no plug in it there. And it's got two hold down bolts, one on each side. It's a T15 Torx. So we'll spin that out and then take a little screwdriver and pop it up. Should just snap in with like a little O-ring or something to seal it. So let's pull that out. You'll have to forgive me, I'm a one-man band today, so it's impossible to film. I dropped the camera several times, but T15 Torx, one on each side. Spin them out, and then it just has that little O-ring is all that's holding it in there besides those bolts. So this one I didn't even need a screwdriver. I just kind of wiggled this plug, popped it up. But sometimes if they're in there, it's just a little screwdriver, pry under it, pop it out. So pretty simple job. We got the old one out. Let's put the new one in. Alright, then you get your new one out of the package, and I like to put a little bit of grease, whatever you use, a little something to make that O-ring slick, so when you pop it in there it doesn't roll it and not seal. So I just prefer this wide assembly grease. We use it for just about everything around here. So anyway, you do that, and let's just pop this thing in its hole. Get it setting in there, find its groove, and then you just kind of snap it in. Just like that. Put your two Torx bolts back in and just get them snug. You don't have to crank on them. Just kind of snug them up and plug her back in and call it a day. So pretty self-explanatory, but for those who haven't done one or don't know where it's at, that's the map sensor or boost sensor on a 5.9 Cummins. So thanks for watching.